Okay, here, what we have our ingredients here to make our traditional Christmas pudding. We've timed this recipe by 4, as you can see here. So what we have here in a bowl already, marinated, we have our glassy cherries, 100 grams. We have our prunes, 100 grams, 250 grams of raisins, 250 grams of sultanas, 250 grams of chopped dates or currants, and 70 grams of almonds. And we have added our bottle of Guinness into that. The other ingredients then that we have then is we have our large lemon and orange, which we have grated and we have the juice of. We have our grated carrot, we have our cooking apple, and then we have our 500 grams of margarine, 500 grams of soft brown sugar, 6 medium eggs, and then our dry ingredients then we add then is 150 grams of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of mixed spice, and 500 grams of breadcrumbs. So the method then for this is just we place all the ingredients listed in one, or the bowl, into a mixing bowl, cover and allow it, set it aside and allow it to soak, which we have pre-done as you can see. We're going to cream our margarine and our sugar until it's light and fluffy, whisk in the eggs, and then we're going to sieve in the dry ingredients in a separate bowl, add the breadcrumbs, pour half the eggs and half the dry ingredients into the margarine bowl and continue to mix on low speed for a few minutes. Finally then we're going to add the remaining eggs and dry ingredients, mix thoroughly. Add your fruit slowly, spoon by spoon, into the mixing bowl, mix thoroughly. Divide the pudding mix then between steamed pudding dishes. We are using these here. As you can see, we have a liner, we have tin foil, and we have a tin foil lid. We're going to tap it to remove any air bubbles, cover with a lid, foil, and then steam for approximately 4 to 5 hours. So there's our basic setup and method there for traditional Christmas pudding.